Teaching rescue exercise 4.1, your student will learn to handle a distressed diver showing signs of overexertion. We will first look at how to provide a thorough demonstration of this skill. Watch closely as we guide you through the steps to assess and assist a diver who may be experiencing physical or mental fatigue. Start by organizing your students on the control line. Ensure students and Divemaster are ready to begin. With control of the group, begin with You Watch Me. Clearly assign the distressed diver role. You will be the hero. Confirm the students and Divemaster are ready and begin the demonstration. Have the Divemaster begin the simulation. The first step is to assess the scene to identify the problem and make sure you can make a safe approach. Second step is to communicate with the diver. Attempt to make contact with the diver, signaling clearly. The third step is to approach the diver. Signal first that you will close the distance and swim closer to the diver. The fourth step is to make contact with the diver. Maintain control with a firm grip to prevent a rapid ascent. The fifth step is to reassure the diver. Signal you are making eye-to-eye contact. Instruct the diver to breathe calmly and slow down. Continue showing these signals, calming the diver down. You can now check if the diver is okay. Before proceeding, confirm how much air the diver has remaining. Maintaining control with the BCD, check the diver's SPG. Inform them of the remaining air supply. In this scenario, the diver has 150 bar and enough air to continue the dive. Signal you will both stay close together and continue the dive. Check they are okay and begin to swim together.